Hey y'all, happy
Friday.
Happy Friday. Toast. Ding.
Coffee date.
Welcome to the vlog. Now y'all, it's a beautiful day today here in Ohio. It is what? Like 70 degrees. It's a little windy.
74 today.
74. It's nice.
It's
but I
perfect.
came here because I came to see my daughter and make sure she all right. Y'all, wait a minute, I ain't even gonna say that. I was gonna say everybody's getting something, then I had to take it back. Because I'm blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed by the best. Y'all see Lady Blue back here? Y'all see Lady Blue back there? Y'all see her back there? She looking good, ain't she? Yeah. But
It's a coincidence that we parked you parked in the front and they parked the car right here.
Right, y'all. God be working. The Most High be working. I know y'all get tired of me talking about the Most High, but guess what? I'm sorry. She gonna always talk about the Most High because he's everything. He's everything. Y'all better get with it. Y'all better get with it. Get with the coffee. Get with the program. But anyway, I'll see y'all in the next video. Not the next video. I'll see y'all in another clip. I don't know. So
Pretty sure you gonna vlog later.
Bye y'all. The train back here. We're watching the train. Can you see that car behind me? Huh? I was asking, can you see it behind me?
I can.
Y'all see where I'm at? I'm not getting no car. This is the next clip of this video, but I'm still on the mission. But what is that, a 1997. So I'm just here with my family, my son. You can say hi. Mom. We're just here. So I just wanted to show y'all my new car. Okay? Yeah, that's sharp, ain't it? Really sharp. Try not to get nobody in the camera, but 1997. How much you said it was? 14,000, y'all. 14,000. Oh, y'all, it's 6:22, 6:23 now, and I'm almost home. But I don't know who this is going to be for, but I spend most of my day helping my family. And sometimes it's very rewarding, even though you might not see it, because everybody has their own life and people are busy doing stuff. But sometimes it's good to help others. Less of yourself and more for others. You know, it's a good feeling, even though you don't think it is at the time, but it really is. It really is rewarding. So count it all joy, even though it may not seem like it most of the time, but it really is. It's a blessing. It's a blessing for somebody else, and it's a blessing for you too as well. So I'll see you guys when I get home because I want to show you guys something, okay? All right, y'all, I'm back, but I'm about to leave back out. But I wanted to show y'all. Remember, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen the curtain. So I have the curtain here, and as you can see, y'all, it's all the way down to the floor, which I absolutely love it, love it, love it. Have been waiting for a long time for that. And then over here, I found these. They're so, so pretty. So my plans are to take these. And if you're wondering, this is the brand. Y'all, these were $1. This is a rich, rich gold color too. I started to save this for the video or part of the video for tomorrow. But I said, you know what? Let me go in and show the people. Aren't these pretty? Look how richy. So my idea is to fill these up. I got a down pillow and I got a regular one. So the plan is to put them in here so they're matching. Can you say hello to the people?
I got the cute girl.
Hello.
He just got off work. So yeah, the plan is to put one here and one there. And it's gonna go with the golds and the golds right here and all that stuff. So yeah, so I wanted to show you guys that because I am on the run. So I probably will end this vlog right here and I'll catch you guys back tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. All right, guys, I'm back. So I'm going to attempt to make, it's really late, y'all. I told you I was late start doing a lot of things today. So I'm going to attempt to make this piece and I'm going to give you who I got the idea from. So I'm going to be using fresh crushed tomatoes, olives, all these seasonings right here. Follow me on Instagram and follow me on Simply Black Vegan. Here's our stuff. Got my thing heated. And here is some These are sweet carrots I'm making, and let me turn it down a little bit. But making sweet carrots, and I got the idea from A Glimpse of Royalty. So if you don't know who's A Glimpse of Royalty, I can show you really quick, and then you guys can go follow their channel. Really nice family. But yeah, guys, it is late. It's like 8:02, and the reason why, well, to answer some people's questions, the reason why you don't see Mark in some of the videos, or most of the videos, is because he don't get home until late from work. So that's your answer to that. And like I said, it's pretty late, and I'm just now cooking. I'll put in what it looks like here, well, not here, at the end, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So yeah, guys, I will see you shortly.
Status, I'm a big dog, bet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette, yeah. Ride around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, we ain't with all that, yeah.
All right, guys, this is the before. Let me show you the after. That's the after. Yes, ma'am. Because I ain't watching that.
tell him that I ain't so crack. Know your money long when your people can't afford that. I'm ballin'. Told me that did my calling. I keep that stick, I don't do no brawling. Open out the doors and let them all in here. Yeah, they all in here. Big dog. We come out the pound, so we big dog. Heavy patty gun, they break my wrist off. I'm young out of rocket, about to lift off. 3, 2, 1, I got big dog status, I'm a big dog, yeah. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette, yeah. Ride around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, we ain't with all that, yeah. Big dog status, I'm a big dog, yeah. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette, yeah. Ride around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, we ain't with all that, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fall in line. We got sticks like it's Columbine. Running up the dollar sign. Yeah. Ain't no
Let's see. I can get this one. All right, y'all here? Y'all still here? Okay. I shouldn't have to tell you. It's like I'm talking to kids sometimes. By now, y'all should have thumbs up the video, right? And subscribe to the channel. Okay? Did we got that clear? Okay. Well, baby. Y'all, look how well she's thriving. This one is new. And there's one opening up here. Right here. See right there? That one's opening up. She's doing so good. I just turned her just now. And yeah, giving you guys a little update on this room. So you guys know the buffet that's in the bedroom that we used for a dresser, that's going to eventually go in here on this set wall. And then I'm going to put like the vases and stuff on top of it and the remotes. And then this table here, it might stay in here. Then again, it might not. And then the basket, I'll just show y'all what I'm going to do for the meantime. But I have legs and I have, let me just show y'all so y'all understand where I'm coming from. So I have all these legs right here. These are handles, 3 handles, and I have like 6 legs. Those things are going to go on a dresser. We're just trying to find a mid-century modern one. We take the legs off and it doesn't have many drawers. So that's the idea for that. So let me go ahead and get these pillows together and I'm going to do some little switcheroo in here and then we'll hang out some more. All right, guys, we're back. So guess what? Y'all, I did find my leggings. I found them and they're by the brand Cat and Jack. And I think I got them. Follow me on Instagram, simply_natural_black. I posted it on there that I went to the bins. I can't remember what day it was. It probably wasn't the day I posted it. It could have been the day before, 2 days before, a week before. I don't know. I try to stay on task. I think I'm kind of up to date on the videos. So yeah, because today is Saturday the 24th. Okay, so I showed y'all these pillows. This is the brand. And I found 2 down feather pillows in my closet. And wait till I'm going to show y'all one day my stash of stuff that's on offer up. I wish somebody would really come and get this stuff so I can be done with it and I can have some more coins to save for more trips, right? Because that's how we do it, y'all. That's how we do it. So I'm just going to stuff these and then I'm going to place them on the chair. And yeah, I don't know what else is going to be taking place, y'all, because it's 12 o'clock now, Eastern Standard Time here. And I know I'm going to go exercise. I might sit in the back for a minute. Other than that, Mark's gone to work. So yeah, I just wanted to this house needed to be freshened up, y'all. Y'all know how it is. Open up the windows, wipe down stuff, get it smelling good, and all that jazz. Look how pretty. Ooh, that's gonna make a pretty pillow, right? It's gonna make a pretty pillow. Y'all, I've never seen gold ones like this. I've never seen this gold. I've not. Have y'all? Let me know in the comments. Probably on what would you call that? Amazon. You probably would find them like a deep rich gold, but this is a deep rich gold, and I'm kind of glad because it goes with my vase over there, and it goes with like the frame around that picture. I updated that picture. Y'all don't know if y'all noticed that, but I did update that, and it goes with the gold decor in the lamp, the frame of the lamp. So yeah, okay, that was a good fit. So guys, I got 2. I'm gonna place them, and yeah, and then we're gonna put that. You'll see, guys. Just stay tuned, okay? Okay. So pretty. Oh yeah, I'm looking at a red robin. So pretty. So pretty. But I think that's gonna do it, guys, for this video, okay? If you like the video, thumbs up the video, share the video, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And yeah, guys, show a little love, be a little bit more compassionate, have grace, help others, and always, always remember to what? Love yourself so that you will be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. I think I'm just gonna chill outside, y'all. It's 76 degrees. It's the weather girl right now. 76 degrees, partly cloudy, a little bit of sky. It's a little blue here and there, but look, somebody's always gonna steal my joy, right? Or try to steal my peace and my joy, but it doesn't work. See, God said no. They're gonna turn it on again though, but because they're trying to do their yard. But anyway, guys, I will see you in the next upcoming video. I love you guys. Remember to be strong, stay encouraged, and let your light shine. All right.